Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Granny Says 160 liters rolling laundry basket. There are features include smooth rolling. Silent 360 degrees wheels let you glide this rolling laundry cart with ease. 2 locking casters keep it steady wherever you stop. Removable liner. The liner comes with handles, making this hamper with wheels easy to detach and carry between rooms. Extra large 160 liters. With 160 liters of space, this large laundry basket holds clothes, blankets, or pillows, perfect for family use. Versatile for home. Use it in the laundry room, bedroom, bathroom, or closet. This dirty clothes hamper keeps spaces neat and organized. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.